So I will say our server and storage strategy should be focused, should be simple, very simple. We don't want to create complex solutions, but we want to deliver the right solution, and as well as should be innovative. Innovative, what does it mean? Means that we need to work between the blade and the rack in a much smarter way. So we need to differentiate ourselves from the others, giving exactly what the end user and the channel partners are looking for. So more integration, less power consumption, more efficiency, much better power supply efficiency, and as well as better maintenance and service. Means deploying solutions where the same power supply can be used from the rack up to the tower. Of course, for us, maybe it was much easier compared to the others because we have nothing to protect in the market, and we deploy our server solution for a piece of white paper. That's of course simple, but it was not so simple to have a power supply can fit in tower, in rack, with the same power wattage. And this is an incredible feature for the channel partners because they have to manage less spare parts compared to other solutions. So going a little bit on the brand value proposition as well as on the servers, we are going to have 4 different systems. We're going to have tower, classic tower, entry level for single P, Intel based, and we call GT series. G stand for gateway, T for tower series. So in Asia Pacific, we're going to have use Acer brand. We're going to have A as Acer, T as a tower. So it should not be difficult. And then rack, GR series. G stand for gateway, R for rack. Should not be difficult at this stage. Gemini is GW, W because it can be twins, can be of course W. And Blade, Gemini, everybody knows Gemini in Latin, I think. And Blade we call GB series. So for Acer will be everything instead of G will be A. So in terms of multinational approach, should not be so difficult to understand. Of course, tower will address a specific market. Rack, of course, the classic rack market you see from Corfo del Prete. Gemini will be more dedicated for medium enterprise and HPC or vertical technical computing because there you have 4 different servers inside of 2 URAC with different storage assignments on. Blade, in this case, Blade, you see later, we're going to have 10 servers in 7U or we're going to have 20 servers in 7U plus InfiniBand redundant, InfiniBand, all these kind of things. So the server positioning, as you see, going deeply in all the numbers, we're going to have GT110, GT310 in terms of tower, and then increasing scalability and best availability, GT150, 350. On the left side, all the GR family from UP, no big expandability, and going up to the GW1000, so 2 servers inside the same rack. Most of these products are sharing same power supply form factor, so means maybe different power wattage, but they can share the same power supply. And the power supply, some of those are already 80 plus gold, some already coming with 80 plus platinum. So that is already in terms of efficiency, energy, and power consumption already good. So on the best density, GW2000, GR360, GB7000 as a blade side. That's for the part of UP. The server portfolio, going a little bit deeply. I'm not going to go deeply, but just, we get the slides, yes. I think so. I don't know, I need to think twice. No, you're going to get it. So that is, that you see from the GT110, 300, 100, GR100, 300, and so on and so on. You see on the server nodes. You can see all the names, GT110, F1 stands for the first revision, doesn't stand for Formula 1. That's for your, because we don't want to get in trouble with branding with Bernie Eccleston. So then is GT310, 350, as you see the number, 160 and so on and so on. And then you see on the top side, GB 2x280, F1, basically is 2 nodes in the same blade. See, you cannot see there because that is the 10 blades, but they will be available quite soon. So that is entire solutions. As a server management, you're going to see different smart setups, smart server, so all these kind of things. I'm not going to be deeply, otherwise a lot of people are going to sleep very quick. So of course, all of these are based on Intel Pentium Intec Xeon family. So the target segment, I say, I want to stress this kind of simplicity, efficiency. So that's absolutely what we want to deliver to the channel partners. So we want to have the channel partners delivering their value proposition. We study these products taking account end users, HPC, vertical technical computing, also from my past experience, working with end users, but the key element is giving to the channel partners servers solutions that can add their value propositions. So that is extremely important to, there can be virtualization, any kind of virtualization, can be manageability, also flexible. Our manageability servers scheme can support different manageability software. So we want to deliver something that the channel partners, they have the freedom to play as the best they can with their end users. So going to the storage, of course, being a valid alternative, in any case, a valid solutions in the channel, you cannot deliver only servers. In this market, you need to deliver servers and, of course, storage. Storage is a key element. And I'm really glad that we have this partnership with Hitachi. It's not a matter of a partnership buying or reselling the products, but it's really thinking together how we can deploy products and future products that can address the SMB market, or maybe also HPC. As you know, they have Blue Arc, HNAS family, and I'm going to touch a little bit. So that is the positioning. In a business small office, home office, we're going to have a storage solution that will be branded Gateway. On the mid side, is shared between our solution Gateway and Hitachi Data System. On the top, of course, we are going to have access of Hitachi System where they are played very, 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 very well. So in terms of gateway storage positioning, that will be on the storage NAS, storage area network, and Windows storage system. Of course, we're going from the NAS side with the network storage, so HNAS, going to the classic storage area network, classic but very complicated in any case. And the Windows storage system deploy more using servers with Windows storage servers. So. Again, going power supply family, as we say, so it's extremely important that we take care of efficiency. All our systems are deployed with the power manageability joined with Intel, and as well with new feature from Microsoft Windows 2008 R2. And as well as, of course, the hardware is something that you need to design the proper way. That's why we design power supply with the right efficiency level. So you see the platinum basically is 94%. Between 20% load to 100% load needs to be 94% efficiency as a power supply. So that is overall, let me say, the picture of products, go-to-market business development, and entire picture of our server portfolio. Thank you very much.